Hello, my fellow DIYers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Smoothie King's Chocolate Peanut Power Plus Smoothie. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, and absolutely delicious. Let's get it. You're going to need 4 ounces of water, 4 ounces of almond milk, 6 dates, 57 grams of peanut butter, 7 grams of Sun Warriors protein powder, 7 grams of cocoa powder, a half of a banana, fresh or frozen, 220 grams of ice. Now pour your water into your blender. I'm using the VonnettaG. Add your almond milk. Cocoa powder. Protein powder. Dates. Banana. And add your peanut butter. Now place your lid on top of your blender and press the smoothie function. This is a VonnettaG blender. Add your ice. Put your lid on and blend again. Press the smoothie function. It is all done. Grab your glass. Chocolatey, peanut buttery, creamy, delicious Smoothie King's Chocolate Peanut Power Plus Dupe. That's it. Grab a straw. Now, if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, press the notification bell. See you soon.